Primary and secondary markets. Answer B. Complement each other. Total number of stock exchange in India are. Answer A. 25. The settlement cycle in NSE is. Answer C. T plus 2. National Stock Exchange in India was reorganized as Stock Exchange in the year. Answer B. 1993. Treasury bills are basically. Answer A. An instrument to borrow short-term funds. Certain instruments of money market in short-term liquidating and used to finance credit sales. Name the instruments. Answer C. Commercial bill. Educating the investor is the dash function of SEBI. Answer A. Protective. Which of the following falls in the category of zero coupon bond? Answer A. Treasury bill. Which of the following is a method of collecting capital? Answer C. Private placement. Which of the following takes advantage of the internal trading? Answer C. People having secret information of the company. Dash where deal is accomplished between buyers and sellers through a medium of phone, letter or through medium of internet. Answer A. Market. Which of the statement is not true for selling? Answer B. Aims at maximizing sales. Which one of the following promotion tools has mass reach? Answer A. Advertising. The term market may be understood in which of the following contexts? Answer D. All of the above. With which element is exchange mechanism related? Answer B. Marketing. Which of the following statements is not true with regard to the concept of product? Answer C. It is confined to physical product. Scope of dash is limited but scope of dash is wider. Answer B. Selling marketing. Which one of the following is the marketing management philosophy? Answer A. Societal marketing concept. Which one of the following is not a marketing mix? Answer D. Production process. Which of the following is a feature of marketing process? Answer D. All of the above. Under which of the following situations is a company not likely to fix a lower price for its product? Answer D. When the demand for the product is low. Which of the following is not the function of packaging? Answer B. Pricing objectives. Which of the following statements is not true with regard to the concept of product? Answer C. It is confined to physical product. Which one of the following factors is not relevant to price fixation? Answer B. Age of an organization. Mail order selling is a dash channel of distribution. Answer A. Direct. Dash is a marketing function which is concerned with informing the customers about the firm's products. Answer C. Advertising. Registering a trademark give dash to the users. Answer C. Protection. Dash is the deliberate action of an organization for promoting goodwill between itself and the society. Answer C. Public relations. Marketing is called a dash process because it involves interaction of buyers and sellers. Answer B. Social. Dash ensures that product reach the ultimate customers from the manufacturers. Answer C. Physical distribution. Dash involves designing and producing container or wrapper of the product. Answer D. Packaging.